Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, two concentric circles are of radius 5 cm and 3 cm. Find the length of the chord of larger circle which touches the smaller circle. Consider a circle, two concentric circle with the common center O. Suppose this is center O. And QR be the tangent to the larger circle. OP be the radius of smaller circle. So from given, radius of larger circle is 5 cm and radius of smaller circle is 3 centimeters. Let O be the center of the concentric circle of radius 5 centimeters and 3 centimeter respectively. Let QR be a chord of the larger circle touching the smaller circle at point P. At point P, then QP equals to PR and OP is perpendicular to QR. As this tangent is perpendicular to the radius, so triangle OPQ is a right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle, OPQ, OQ square equals to OP square plus PQ square. So PQ square will be OQ square minus OP square, that is OQ square is 5 square minus OP square means 3 square, that is 25 minus 9 is 16. So taking square root on both the sides, we get PQ equals to 4 centimeters. PQ equals to 4 centimeters. Therefore, QR equals to 2PQ equals to 8 centimeters. Hence, length of chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle is, hence length of chord of larger circle which touches the smaller circle is 8 centimeters, which is our option C.